Here's the view right now in the Northern Valley, Grand Forks, home of Economy Skycam Network. And just before we came on air, I tried to turn the camera around to face more of Washington Street, but the camera is frozen in place. You can see visibility is also very low. A reminder tonight that I-29 from the Canadian border all the way down to the South Dakota border is closed, impassable tonight. And the areas in the red and yellow are no travel advised. So no travel is possible at all from South Dakota border up into the Canadian border, both north and southbound. All the areas in yellow, we continue to see those roads scattered with snow and ice tonight. A look at satellite and radar does show a few light snow flurries still making their way down to the ground, but honestly, it's hard to tell what's still falling from the sky and what's just being blown off of rooftops with that wind. And speaking of the wind and low visibility, we have a recent gust of 46 miles per hour in Fargo here, 43 miles per hour out of the north in Grand Forks, gusting to 36 in Alexandria, 44 miles per hour in Sisseton, 41 miles per hour in Jamestown. The good news, this is at least a couple miles per hour less than it was for the 9 o'clock newscast, but visibility still remains very poor. Half mile in Hallock and Grand Forks, a mile and a half in Detroit Lakes, visibility around 0.8 miles in Fargo, 4 miles in Roseau, 2 miles in Langdon at this time. Any travel that you must do tonight is going to be tough. I do expect the morning commute to be a little better. It's still going to be breezy, but this wind won't be whipping as much as it is right now. So still expect difficult travel. And of course, as Michelle talked about earlier in the show, school delays and some delays and closings as well. Temperatures right now, we've got a big spread, 18 degrees in Wadena, 20 in Bemidji and Baudette, but it's only 1 degree above right now in Langdon and Devil's Lake. It's 12 degrees in Fargo and only 6 in Grand Forks. But with that wind, it feels like 24 degrees below zero in Langdon. Feels like 21 below in Devil's Lake, 17 below in Grand Forks, 11 below in Fargo, 9 below in Detroit Lakes. And it's only going to get colder. Another first alert weather day issued tomorrow, not for snow, not for the blowing snow, not for blizzard conditions, but because of this Arctic blast of cold air. Here's a look at wind chills you might expect for Monday morning at 7 a.m. between 15 below down across the Southern Valley, all the way up to 30 below, potentially even 35 degrees below zero for your feels like temperature. What a way to start a Monday. And high temperatures are only going to be in the single digits. So your hour-by-hour forecast shows those flurries continuing to move out, and we'll even see a few pockets of clear skies overnight, partly to mostly cloudy. And here come your temperatures by tomorrow morning. Actual air temperatures in the single digits on either side of zero, but at least through the afternoon, we're going to see some sunshine. This is your lunchtime hour. Winds still gusting into the teens to near 20 miles per hour, not 40 to 50 miles per hour, and high temperatures in the single digits. So bundle up and be prepared for a very chilly start to the week. Look at your temperatures by 3 p.m. Heading into Tuesday, we're going to have very cold air temperatures to start your day, but it's not going to be as windy. Then we warm up into the teens, a slight chance for some morning snow across the Southern Valley, mostly though in South Dakota. Wednesday, we warm things up, 25 degrees, chance for some light snow to the north, and then mild Thursday, a few flakes possible. But Nishay, check out next Sunday. Some of us could warm up near 40 degrees, so we just got to get through Monday.
Wow, okay. Well, at least we got something to look forward to.
Exactly.
All right, thanks so much, Summer. Still to come.